Hey folks, Chase back here, beautiful Clearwater, Florida at MarineMax. I want to show you this brand new Sea Ray 210 SPX. Awesome boat for you and your family. Fits up to 12 people. Let's take you through it and show you some of the details that Sea Ray did on this thing. So first thing that draws me to it, powerful Mercury 4-stroke 150 engine. It's going to give you plenty get up and go and great fuel economy while you're out on the water. Sea deck laid out on the platform, soft on the feet. This is an option you can get for the rest of the boat. You could also get the infinity woven carpet or just regular carpet if you like. Now, one of the great things in the back here is this huge sun lounger to lay out when you are resting or kids are playing in the water. And one of the things that they did on this was they flipped this up. So now I can sit here and watch everyone play in the water. I really like this. It's an awesome add-on. You know, Sea Ray never skips on the storage, never skips on the comfort. They want to be sure you have plenty of room everywhere. Huge storage locker down here for everything that you need to fit. I really like this back here. So this one does have our dune interior, which I think goes nicely with the boat. Storage all throughout all the seats. Cooler placed well for you here. This one has the upgraded audio, so that you'll see a Fusion subwoofer here. And this one has the lounger seat on this side that actually moves and really easily, so if someone wants to face rear, they can. So the captain's chair on this side with the flip-up bolster. So if you're like me, you like to stand up and ride, this would be great for you. Now this boat does have the Simrad display, which I think looks great. But if you would want either a smaller display or gauges on the side, we can do that here at the dealership for you. More storage, like I said, glove box here. Up here in the front, two great sun loungers for you. Great time relaxing up here, catching the rays. So come down here to Clearwater, Florida. Check us out. We'd love to take you out and earn your business.